What's up guys, so in today's video I am going to be unboxing the Huion H430p, which I'll also be giving away one of these to a lucky subscriber, and I'll talk more about that later in the video. Keeping that aside, let's unbox this device, and let me bring specially to the table the unboxing knife. On the left hand side we have create more and create different with the barcode. At the top we have the Huion logo. At the right we have H430p with the barcode, and at the bottom we have the Huion logo again. At the back we have some specs, and that is the seal. So these are the specs of the battery-free pen drawing tablet. Also we have their location and their contact info. This is the seal at the top and at the bottom. Now let's take that off with the unboxing knife. Let's flip that around and check what is inside the box. Opening the box, let's keep that aside. We have this disc-like warranty card, which at the back we have it in different languages. Keeping that aside, let's take the man of the moment, the Huion 430p. And yes, it looks really sleek and I'm really loving it. Keeping that aside, we have the drawing pen, OTG connector for both micro USB and USB-C. Sorry Apple users. Also inside the box we have some extra tip for the battery-free pen, which in case if anyone breaks you can just easily replace it by yourself. Also inside the box we have the micro USB to USB-A connector, which is for the battery-free drawing tablets. Last but not the least, inside the box we have the quick start guide, which is this white paper, and a user manual, that is the black booklet with a lot of pages. And finally that is all for what we have inside the box. So we are going to start drawing now. All we need is the drawing tablet, the micro USB to USB-A connector, the pen, your smartphone, laptop or Mac, but I'm going to use my Android phone because it comes with a USB-C and the USB-C connector is included in the box. And also we are going to be using the Adobe Sketch app to draw some things. Maybe I've not drawn anything on a drawing tablet before, so I'm going to try my best. On the right hand side we have nothing. At the top we have the micro USB port, which we are going to connect the wire included in the box, so we'll be able to draw on our device, which is the Samsung Galaxy A22, which is my current daily driver. And at the back have these grips, which is good when you are going to place it on your table so it won't shift while drawing, and it is very stable and I really like it. While at the front we have these buttons and the Huion logo, and the dots that are there is the place where you are going to draw whatever you are going to draw. Now let's connect that to my Samsung Galaxy A22 4G and we are good to go. So in this video I'm going to be giving this drawing tablet courtesy of Huion. This is not a sponsored video, this is just an unboxing, impressions and hands-on of this drawing tablet. All you need to do is follow Huion tablet on Instagram and also follow me on Instagram. Comment your Instagram handle below and subscribe to my channel. Those are the only steps, and I'll announce the winner in my review video, which will be coming out very soon. Now let's start drawing. So I might not be the best drawer, but let's see what we can do. I can't even correctly write please subscribe. Am I that bad at drawing? God. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing and impressions of the Huion H430p. If you liked it, kindly subscribe and stay tuned to when I announce the winner of this giveaway, and also turn on your post notification to get notified when I drop my full review and announce the winner of this drawing tablet. Hope to see you guys on that video. Peace out.